Hello guys, welcome to the 25th session of Create Custom Alexa Skill using AWS Lambda function tutorials for beginners. In this session, we will learn how to use Delegate Directive. To create multi-turn conversation in Alexa, there are two different ways. First is using Delegate Directive and another is using Elicit slot, confirm slot and confirm intent directive. We can also combine both of them. Using this, we can check that user provided all values or not. We need to use Delegate Directive if you want Alexa to automatically handle the conversation flow based on your dialog model. Dialog state contains state of the dialog. When a user sends a request, its dialog can be in three different states. That is started, in progress and completed. For this, I am going to create a new skill. Open terminal. I am using third demo as a name. Let us update launch request text so we can uniquely identify this skill. Open interaction model. Change invocation name to the third demo. Add new intent with name, intro with age. In this intent, we will obtain user's name and age. Age will be optional, so it contains two slots. First will be person name of type amazon.person and second slot will be age of type amazon.number. Here the user can say myself person name or myself person name and my age is age. And create a handler for intro with age. It will listen for some intent. It will listen for same intent. Let us obtain request from request envelope. And intent from request. Here I have used object destructuring assignment. This line is similar to this one. When dialog state is in the started state, we will check that if the user does not provide age value in the slot, then we will add 24 as default. Change value in intent itself. And generate response with add dialog directive method and pass updated intent. And we need to set false to should end accession generate response. If dialog state is in progress state, then we need to return empty delegate directive. And when it is in the completed state, we will display both values. Let us obtain both from slots. Create speech text. Generate response. Add this handler in request handlers. And also add logs so if any error occurred then we can check it. Save the file and deploy this scheme. Let us test it in echo. Alexa, open the third demo.
Welcome to third demo skill.
Myself, Elizabeth.
Hey Elizabeth, your age is 24.
Here we have not set age, so 24 is used as default. Let us try it again with value in age. Alexa, open the third demo.
Welcome to third demo skill.
Myself, Elizabeth, and my age is 30.
Hey Elizabeth, your age is 30.
Here we got the value that we have set. Let us see what we have learned in this session. Delegate Directive is used to create multi-turn conversation. We can also use illicit slot, confirm slot, or confirm intent for the same. Dialog state can be in started, in progress, or completed. Here is intent that we have created. When dialog state is started, we have checked whether the value is set or not. If not, then we have provided 24 as a default value. And use add delegate directive method to create delegate directive and pass update intent. When dialog state is in progress, we have written empty directive. And when dialog state is completed, we have just generated simple speech containing both slot values. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.